So guys, you remember yesterday I posted a video Gogo, one of those people who were beaten by foreigners in Mayfair. So Ugogo went back to Mayfair to march with some members of Idudula and march, and their march was very successful. So mina into engiyibuza yona ukuthi mase kusukuma nabogogo kuzokwenziwa njani, uzowenza njani uRamaphosa, uzobadubula, uzobabopha nabo. And kubuhlungu because ogogo yibona abahlukumezeke kakhulu, most of them bahlala nabazukulu, abazukulu yibona abadla idakamizwa bese behlukumeza ogogo, befuna imali yepension, bafune yonke into. Abanye ogogo abalali even ebusuku behlukunyezwa abazukulu, bengena ebusuku bebafuna imali, abanye bebashaya. Yabona nje ukuthi into eyenzeka la oRamaphosa, i-ANC ne-GNU ibuhlungu lento abayenzayo, ibuhlungu lento abayenza kuma-South Africans. So nje ugogo ukhombisile ukuthi uyiqhawe because even after they were beaten in Mayfair, she stood up and said, I'm going back there. Yabona ukuthi sesidlula ngisho omama bethu, ogogo basemgwaqeni njengamanje bayalwa. Some of us sihleli nje siyabukela. Guys, you remember a few days ago there was a viral video of two Nigerian ladies who were pretending to be South Africans in Malaysia and bebethengisa umzimba laphayana. And now we have Zimbabweans, they are doing the same thing, bathengisa umzimba in Malaysia and calling themselves South Africans. Imagine how many people they told that they are South Africans and those people believed them. They are tarnishing the name of South Africa. They are tarnishing the name of South African women out there. Why? Because they know the names of their countries are not wanted anywhere in the world. So that is why they decided to call themselves South Africans, because they know South Africans does not have a bad name out there. Almost all African countries are doing the same thing. They are tarnishing the name of our country. They are tarnishing the name of our passports. They are tarnishing everything about South Africa out there. And tomorrow, if we want to travel, we'll be seen as bad people. Abantu abahamba beyothengiswa umzimba kwamanye amazwe, just imagine. Okay, let's watch them, guys.
Hello, how are you? Rose, I'm a man. A man, give a woman rose.
Okay, 1 minute.
What's up? Okay, where are you guys from?
South Africa.
Which part of South Africa?
Cape Town.
What's the capital of South Africa?
Cape Town.
No, Cape Town's not the capital.
It's the capital city.
What?
Yeah.
Isn't there 3 capitals?
Yeah.
Huh?
There are 3.
What are the other 2?
We're going to give you my size.
What are the other 2 capitals of South Africa? You lied to me. I don't like that. That's not so nice. You said you're South African. You said you're sisters. Me? I'm from Nigeria.
You're lying.
No. I'm from there. Yeah, Lagos.
But your accent is different from them.
My accent is different. Well, how do these Nigerians speak?
They speak like the voice is very big.
Very big. Mine's not. Some simple massage. Some good time. I'm okay. I'm having a good time myself, just walking, you know, but have a great night, okay?
So this is the hard work they are doing abroad. Even here in South Africa, they are doing the same thing, but they are calling themselves hard workers. These people think we don't know what they are doing in other countries. In Joburg there, I heard they are all over the place doing the same job. It's a shameful thing they are doing using the name of our country. And we are forced to unite and live with these people and call them our brothers and sisters. How can you call someone who is doing this to you a brother or a sister? How possible is that? After this clip of Zimbabwean Ashawos, I will remind you about the one that was trending of Nigerian Ashawos. All of them calling themselves South Africans abroad. And it was this same guy who exposed those Nigerian Ashawos who were pretending to be South Africans a few days ago.
Abanye bakhona but angazi mina ngiyehlile ngiye etoilet lapha.
Wona uyehlile uye etoilet bapha bayisibabonile lapha. Fake ayibona mos.
Yeah, nginawo abanye. Ngibalekile because
South Africa.
Ipoqoka
ngathi yiphepha.
That time thina spend imali ne our time so full.
Imagine
what thing is soft in it.
It's soft like we can feel it.
You see that is nothing.
That's professional.
No, he says he paid.
And among anakanga vele ngekubona ukuthi it's a fake.
We don't even pay 2 point something with the, at the IT.
Imagine, also bhatala 2.9.
Looks faded.
Iyabonakala nje, yeah.
It's printed. They printed it like that.
Bayiprintile. Benzele nje lamination.
This one,
Exactly.
the original one.
Inente black nyana la.
Yeah, Bamba something.
But if fake it until you make it.
Fake it, exactly. Yeah.
Up until you make it.
Even it's texture. Like, oh. Marabona bayishayile vele mongaboni vele.
So these are the same people who was but documented they must become South Africans. Guys, if until now you don't say ukuthi lo government uyasizonda, angeke usaphinde ubone. Abasifuni ngenhliziyo yabo yonke, they can't even pretend. They want foreigners, they don't want us. It's not like our politician doesn't see these videos. They see these videos, but they don't care. The only time you'll see our politicians speaking is when South Africans are complaining about foreign nationals. That's when you'll see our politician coming out to speak, to condemn what South Africans are saying. Even when we lost so many kids in this country because of tuck shops, our politicians did not say anything. But what I know, at the end of it all, we will conquer. We are going to win, guys. We are going to win. Those who are fighting for these people, is this what you call love? Is this what you call a brotherly love? Is what they are doing to us not inzondo? How can you love someone who is unaliving your children? How can you love umuntu othengisela abantwana bakho i-powder? How can you love a brother who is calling you lazy, who is calling you names after destroying you and your country? How can you call a brother someone who is making your children zombies? Is that not Afrophobia? What these people are doing to us is not fair.
Hi, darling.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
Me, I'm Canadian. How about you?
I'm from South Africa.
South Africa. Nice.
Where are you going to?
Yeah, I'm just walking. How about you?
We'll walk with you. Don't
Why?
We want to walk.
Why do you want to walk with me?
We like you. Walk with you.
Why do you like me?
your
Tell
height.
me.
You are so tall.
I'm small. I'm small.
No,
The
you're
same
so
as
tall.
you. Where are you guys from in South Africa?
Yeah, from Cape Town. From Cape Town.
Cape Town. Nice. Oh, awesome. I've never been there before. What, do you like Malaysia?
Malaysia is nice.
Sorry? You're not from Nigeria?
Huh?
You're not from Nigeria?
No, we are not from Nigeria.
You guys, your accent, you sound like you're from Nigeria.
No, we are not from Nigeria.
Huh?
You have been to Nigeria before?
No, but I know a lot of Nigerians. I'm from Canada. There's a lot of Nigerians in Canada.
You here for vacation?
Yeah, vacation.
For how many days now?
I don't know. Not that many left. But have a good night, okay, guys? What type of massage?
Massage, body massage.
I just got a massage on my legs. It was good.
Just your legs?
Yeah. Where else can I get a massage?
All your body.
No, just,
Just your legs?
you know, Davido.
Yeah.
Banana fall on you. I do you, Nigerian. I got you guys. Banana fall on you. South Africans don't know Davido.
Yo, my goodness, these people, they are tarnishing the name of our country. They are tarnishing the name of us South African women. They are scared to mention the names of their countries because they know what is going on in their countries. They are always asking this silly question, what's so special about South Africa? They know very well what South Africa is very special. Even abroad, they are using the name South Africa because they know South Africa is very special with special people. Abangenalo igama elibi abroad. South African people, they don't have a bad name out there in other countries. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.